After about 1,000 miles of driving my Canyon, this is what the oil is looking like. I'm going to be changing it just for the first 1,000, and then after that, most likely every 4 to 5,000. So be keeping it loose and new. There's the filter. There we go. So I got the oil filter there draining. I did put a towel there just because I didn't want to get it on the subframe. And I do crack the oil filter loose so that it can breathe better. And I do have platinum, full synthetic. Next, I will be getting the ultra platinum. Yep, and oil filter. So I did buy this easy drain valve, and I was reading about it, and it's the forums for the truck for the GMC 2025 Canyon. That is the one you want to get. It fits the truck perfectly, tightened, no leaks. We will see about that when I start the truck. So in order to change your oil, you have to go to the home screen, go to vehicle status. I accidentally clicked on here, and that set the air filter to 100, which it's not. It's at 84%, and now you go to the oil life and you push reset, and engine's all good now. Status of drain plug and filter loose. No leak. On the filter, it's good.